Hi, parents. Welcome to Curriculum Night. I just wanted to introduce myself. I am Mrs. Moore. I know you know that already since I've already had your kids last year in algebra. So, welcome to geometry. Some topics we're going to talk about. We're going to start off the year with some review and working on the foundations of geometry, a lot of the vocab, and getting that good base set up first. And then we'll dive into parallel and perpendicular lines, transformations, triangle congruence, relationships and triangles, quadrilaterals and other polygons, right triangles and trig, coordinate geometry, circles, and 2 and 3D models. So remote learning is going to look a little bit different this year, especially since, we are starting off that way. So attendance is going to be expected and recorded, and grades are going to count. So what's the typical school day look like? Your child will go through their schedule, and they'll enter their classes on Canvas. So once they get to their Canvas, they'll enter their math class for fourth period, and they'll click the Geometry Zoom button. And this is going to be the same for all of the classes. They're going to go to each teacher's Canvas page and look at the Zoom links and select the correct one. At the end of the day, for 8th period, there will be a study hall link. I know I'm not your child's study hall teacher, but I am here to answer all math questions that your child has. So I have a Zoom link on my Canvas page for 8th period study hall for math help. And there's also a check for understanding help at the end of the day. So these 3 links will be available on my Canvas math page. So what does a typical Zoom class look like? We're going to do math. So we're going to take notes. We're going to talk about problems. We're going to go through examples. I'm really going to enforce putting things in your notebook, and I know that your child is already very good at that, and they already know how my class works, so they're at an advantage. One thing I might try is some breakout rooms, but there's only a couple of us in this class, so we'll see how that goes. We might not need to do that, but since our group is pretty small this year. So what happens if you miss class? The same thing as usual. You're just going to have to check your Canvas course for anything that you missed. If you have questions, you can contact me through email. And then obviously your child can attend the study skills Zoom or check for understanding Zoom. Grades this year will be based on total points. Actually the same. I had the same grading system last year. So I'll go through more of that with your child, like how much everything is worth, but it will be based on points. It's not going to be weighted. Some other things that go into your grades will be homework and assessments. So homework needs to be turned in on time, and if there is late work, we will accept it, but we do need parent email stating as to why the assignment was late, and then that way it'll start a conversation with the 3 of us as to what's happening. Assessments will be open notes, since assessments will be taken at home, but not open friend, so meaning it has to be on your own. And then there will be possible retakes if necessary. So please understand this is new for everybody. We're going to be changing as we go. We're going to see what works, what doesn't work. Your child is going to tell me what works and what doesn't work, and we're going to, switch things up. So we're going to get through this together. Just don't forget to make yourself an observer in your child's Canvas course. If you forgot how to do that, you would have to go to the Benjamin website, and there's directions. And if you need to contact me, here's my email, kmoore@benjamin25.org. And we're going to make this a great year. See you later.